Ryan Daniels Sr. with a slight reaction this afternoon upon hearing he was guilty of reckless homicide and involuntary manslaughter in the murder of Brittany Mazenek. While the verdict came about 4:45, Daniels was guilty. Before the jury's decision, something rare took place in a homicide trial. The accused took the stand in his own defense. Ryan Daniels Sr. swore to tell the truth, then explained what happened last February outside the Hideaway Lounge in Niles when 33-year-old Brittany Mazenek of Niles was shot and killed.
The second time that I tapped on the window, I'm not really sure how it happened, but my firearm went off.
Daniels says there was a fight in the parking lot and the car Mazenek was driving was backing up. Daniels was afraid she would hit someone and tried to stop her. But when cross-examined by Assistant Prosecutor BECKER, Daniels would not say he killed her.
So the gun you had caused the death of Brittany Mazenek, is that correct?
I'm not going to say that.
All right.
I can't honestly say that.
But during closing arguments, Daniels' attorney, Antonio Nicholson of Cleveland, told the jury,
"We have always conceded from day one that he was negligent in taking his firearm over to that situation."
It took the jury only an hour to find Daniels guilty on the 2 counts. As the verdict was read, Daniels looked toward the gallery as someone gasped.
Find the defendant, Ryan Daniels Sr., guilty of reckless homicide as he stands charged in the first count of the indictment.
When it was over, Mazenek's family hugged each other and later said they were pleased that justice was served and that it has been a trying time.
It's been heart-wrenching. It's been horrible. It's taken every ounce of energy from my whole family.
Back in the courtroom, Ryan Daniels, who had been free on bond, was handcuffed and led off to jail, while BECKER put everything in perspective.
Unfortunately, we've seen another tragic incident involving gunplay and misuse of a firearm, and it's really a double tragedy.
Ryan Daniels will be back in court next Wednesday for sentencing. He's looking at a maximum of 6 years in prison.